I absolutely love hammocking. It is one of my favorite things to do. So, what if you don't have a hammock? Well, stay tuned for my DIY hammock. This one is so super easy. All you'll need is a table and a sheet. And I'll show you how it works. Alright, and here you are. All you do is tie the ends together on top of the table, and your kiddos have a little hammock that they can use. If you want to give it some extra strength on the knots, you can always safety pin them together, and that will help hold them. You can also tie them to a tree, and that will work too, although I would be careful with that and make sure that the branches you choose are super sturdy. And again, I would fortify them with safety pins to make sure that they don't come off and those knots don't come loose, because then you've got a hurt kid and nobody wants that. So, I hope you guys have fun with that. You can even do it inside if you have a sturdy enough surface to tie the ends of the sheet to. You may not want like a full like queen size sheet or something. You could use a toddler bed sheet or like a twin size sheet, or even just any sort of really long. You don't want it to be too wide, and you don't want your surface that you're tying it onto to be too low. And actually I would say the way that I have this is kind of too low, or I would have to tie the knots just a little bit tighter to give it more height, because you don't want them dragging on the ground. They do want to be up off the ground, so make sure that it's not too wide and the surface that you're using isn't too low to the ground, or that you're tying your knots to where the sheet is up off the ground. Alright, I hope you guys have so much fun with that. Bye!